This video is a guide for removing the bearing frame for all US-FIP four-wheel carts. Please refer the manual for parts reference and additional details. The pump cart is shown inverted. Once the bottom cover is removed, use 3/4-inch wrenches to remove the axle nuts. Remove the wheels and axle. Loosen, but do not remove, the 4 motor bolts with a 3/4-inch wrench. Slide the cart and bearing frame toward the motor to release the belt tension and remove the belts. With a 7/16 wrench, remove the 2 bolts from the pulley bushing and discard. Lubricate 2 new bolts and insert into the threaded holes of the bushing. Once the bolts make contact with the pulley, turn each a little at a time, alternating between each bolt to back the pulley away. Avoid high torque, which could break the bolts. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the bushing set screw. The wrench is either 3/32 or 5/64. Then remove the bushing and pulley. Be sure to support the bearing frame and loosen the 4 pump bolts with a 9/16 wrench. Remove the bolts and the pump spacers. Remove the bearing frame. Refer to the bearing frame disassembly video and the bearing frame assembly video for next steps. Thank you for using US-FIP products.